What's happening? It's your boy ChanceJolivette, aka Smooth, back with another video, man. This is a late night, but you probably gonna be seeing this, probably gonna be in the daytime or whatever, because I'm gonna drop this on Thanksgiving. Because man, y'all probably gonna be bored, probably gonna be waiting on the food, watching a whack football game or something. Just need something, because a lot of people probably won't be uploading content or whatever. And then this is something that I'm gonna try to start doing. I'm gonna start trying to drop some sneaker videos on Thursdays, like some throwback Thursday stuff. So I'm gonna try to go through like some of my older shoes that I might have not shown on the channel or something, and like show some shoes love that I think need to be shown love, or something that you might have forgot about or something. Like do some little throwback Thursday thing just for a few weeks or something. Just try it out. So this is gonna be the first one, and I haven't shown this on the channel. I kind of showed it, but not really. I haven't did a review on this. Got these for my birthday, man. This is courtesy of a boy, me and my kicks, dog. So, this right here is the Reebok Question, Iverson and James Harden. I think these are called the crossover step backs. So, Allen Iverson, his signature move was crossover. Harden is a step back. So, they have teamed up. And how were they able to do that? Because, you know, James Harden is an Adidas athlete. But the thing about it is Adidas owns Reebok. So that is why they're able to collab like that. I already had the other pair. I have these right here. And so you see this is just a Harden joint. So they got that Harden on the inside or something. Very, very nice quality leather and stuff. Did a review on these, so you can go on the channel and check those out. But this right here, I seen these before, but I didn't know that this was another Harden collab. But we see that has that silver color, definitely will stand out on feet. So you got that right there, that navy blue. You got that leather on the toe, got a nice tumble to it. Got that white on the midsole, got the Hexalite technology on the side. It's not like the old Hexalite, like it's not like all the way in the shoe or whatever. Like the new ones, they kind of be cheap with. It's just like this right here. It's not like all the way in the shoe. Like I'm not explaining all that. Watch wear testers if you want to get all that. That's where I got it from. But this interesting right here. It has a like chameleon paint job. It's like a transitional red to the blue. So you got that at the bottom. That's a dope little touch right there. And just like the other shoe, these have that as well. They got that Harden on the inside, on the eyelets. So got that. Something that I do like about the shoe, I like the laces. I like how they came with the red speckled laces. Also, they have some blue aglets on there. So that's cool. They don't have nothing on there, but still dope. Another touch that I like about this shoe is the inside. Inside is kind of like I want to say like a pinstripe. That navy blue and that Carolina blue. So you see that in the inside. Get to the back of the shoe. You got that question in that Reebok vector sign. Then you go lower on the shoe. They got the Harden logo. So that's real dope. Got the vector sign with that navy blue tumbled leather on the side right there. Got red, blue, gray. Got all those colors on the Reebok vector sign. So you got that right there. See, that's pretty much shoe. Mostly Reebok questions are pretty much the same. Like they have some might be a little tumbled. This is like a smoother. Something else when you look at these, I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera, but like whenever you move them around, like they have like a rainbow kind of effect on it, kind of like a nice paint job on a car. So that's dope, man. And I see these they kind of like under retail and stuff, like on StockX and stuff like that. But it's a weird colorway. But I don't know why. Like the questions and stuff, the questions and the answers, they not like holding value and stuff. And then the fact that Reebok is kind of like Adidas is kind of trying to sell Reebok. So to me, it seemed like it would be like more limited. Like, cause you don't know how long they're going to be putting them out. Like if Reebok is going to be in business and who's going to buy it and if they're going to keep putting them out. So you would think that they would be worth more. And this sentimental value is like Iverson is a dog, like up here in the echelon of basketball. But I guess Reebok as a company just doesn't hold that stature anymore like it used to. So maybe that's the whole thing. And then one thing with Reebok also, they are kind of like churning out Reeboks. Like they kind of wearing the questions out a little bit. But it is one of my favorite silhouettes. Reebok Question and the Jordan 11. That is my favorite silhouettes of sneakers, man. So check that out. I'm going to give you a quick on foot so you to see what these looking like. I'm going to hit you with another video as well, man. I'm going to drop two. I'm going to drop two on Thanksgiving, man. So y'all have y'all turkey and stuff, man. Happy Thanksgiving. Check out this quick on foot. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated, man. Holla at your boy. Me and my kicks, man. Much love to you. Peace out.